Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Tough times, eh guys? I bet your kids are driving you crazy. There's only so much you guys can do. So that's why I'm here for you. Today we are going to make some fresh, homemade, from scratch, fresh pretzels. They're going to be so good. When you eat them, you're going to think you're in Philadelphia, my hometown. And we got a special announcement for everybody during these crazy times. Here on Cooking Frankie Meatball. How we doing? Hey, listen, I know everybody's been tired of staying in and just watching the same old stuff on TV, but hey, there's a little treat I want to share with you. My good friend, Joseph Donofrio, you might know him as Young Tommy from Goodfellas, or Slick from the Bronx Tale, or even the Wannabes. You got to check that out. The Wannabes, back in the day, I'm telling you, these movies are great. My good friend, he's doing stand-up comic now. Show got canceled due to this virus, so this is good for you guys. You don't have to leave your house, and you don't even have to take a plane to New York to see his show. All you got to do is download Zoom and tune in on May 9th and watch his show. And here he is, my good friend Joseph Donofrio. He's going to tell you all about his show.
How you doing, everybody? Thank you, Frankie.
You got it, man.
I love the show, and I love your name. And I heard you're making soft pretzels today, and I'm looking forward to eating those soft pretzels because I'm going to make some.
Nice.
But the show is May 9th. It's $30 a ticket. You go to my website, josephdonofriocomedy.com. That's josephdonofriocomedy.com. You get a ticket, $30, and you get to see me hosting the show, 4 other comics, and I'm headlining. And afterwards, we're doing a question and answer. Anything you want to ask me, you can ask me, and I'll answer it. It's going to be a great show. I hope everybody's safe. I hope everybody's doing okay. This virus is crazy, but why not laugh? So May 9th, tune in. It's 8 o'clock show. It's Eastern time, but it's global. It's online. You can watch it on your couch. All you got to do is download it. You can get it on your Xbox and put it on your TV. Easy as can be. And you get to see a comedy show, and you get to see me. And I just love watching Frankie Meatball do all his cooking. He is such a great cook, and I just love when he cooks. He does it with such enthusiasm. And then after you're done, it's so good. This guy's like such a great cook. Thank you for having me on your show, Frankie.
You got it, Joe.
I look forward to watching you, brother. Love
all right.
you. I want to give a shout out to Frida from Russia. Like we always say in Brooklyn, New York, zabut about it. And you gotta tune into the show. Go get yourself a ticket, Frida. Zabut about it. You know what zabut about it means?
Now, what's that, Joey?
Zabut about it means forget about it. Zabut means forget in Russian. So zabut is forget about it. So zabut about it.
Hey, Joe, I love your shirt, man.
Man, go get them. Frank, everybody should have one of these shirts who watches your show.
Yes, sir. Looking forward to that show. We're going to laugh our tuchuses off.
Yeah, man.
I can't wait.
Soft pretzels, too.
I've been seeing his show since last year, and every time he puts on a show, guys, he just gets better and better and better. And the last show I just seen, he's very smooth, new jokes, and he's even telling me he's got better and newer stuff. I can't wait. I can't wait, Joe. I can't wait. I'm so excited, brother.
Appreciate you, brother.
You got it, man.
Take care.
Take care, guys. I'll see you. What's up, guys? How about that? Joseph Donofrio comedy show on Zoom. Download it May 9th. Go to his Facebook page. Get yourself a ticket. I'm telling you, it's one hot ticket. I've been going to his show since last year. Let me tell you, every time I go, he gets funnier and funnier and funnier. I'm telling you guys, and he's headlining this time. time. This is going to be one show you don't want to miss. Go to his page, buy yourself a ticket, click the link, buy the ticket. I'm telling you guys, now, time for some pretzels. So we're going to make some pretzel dough. Like I said last week, no mixer, no problem. We're going to use the old-fashioned hand. You want to start out with 1.5 cups of warm water. Grab your 1 packet of yeast, dump it in, and then just like the pizza, you want to dissolve it. Make sure you get all that yeast out. Dissolve it in the warm water. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix that in. 1 tablespoon of melted butter. A little cooled. Pour a little in. Stir. Little at a time. Little at a time. Look at that. And I'm going to get all that butter out. Alright, and we'll mix that up. 3 3/4 of all-purpose flour, bread flour, any kind of all-purpose flour you have, and start adding some in. Add some in. And mix. Just like the pizza dough, guys. And for those that didn't see the pizza dough video, go back, see the pizza dough video. The video. Alright, a little at a time, mix it up. You add the rest of your flour in, and mix it really nice. Flour, throw it on your work area. And now we're going to knead the dough. Mix it all nice and activate the flour. You made your dough, you kneaded your dough, set the dough to the side, follow me around to the burner. I'm going to show you the most important part about pretzels is the baking soda bath. You want 8 cups of water and a 1/2 cup of baking soda. You put that in and bring it to a boil. And that's your baking soda bath. Get yourself a half sheet pan or whatever you use. I'm going to use my pizza screens. I sprayed them with some cooking spray and I'm going to set them to the side. I'm going to teach you how to make some pretzels, okay? But first, you're going to have your workstation here and then you're going to roll your pretzels. You want another place with some flour, so my place is going to be here. Just right over here. I'm not putting it on the floor, I'm putting it to the side. Cut it. Cut some. Okay? You cut some of that. Okay, now, you don't want too much flour now, because you want to roll this. Start in the middle. Roll it back and forth. And as you're rolling, you're pushing down and pulling. As you're rolling. See? Boom. See how it's getting long? Nice and nice, huh? Now you got your rope, your pretzel rope. Okay? Take 2 ends, bring it up around like a teardrop. Okay? Now, cross them. Okay? After you cross them, grab them and just bring it down like that. Boom. Take your hot sausage and just wrap it around. Very nice. Just like that. Just like that. Huh? And wrap it around really, really nice. Boom. Huh? Nicey nice. Nicey nice. Pretzel wrap. Wait until this stick comes out. You're going to love it. Give her a roll. Give a nice little shape to her. Okay? Then cut it in nuggets. Boom, 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 boom. You got your baking soda bath about to boil, okay? You made your pretzels, you made all your pretzels, your nuggets, whatever you're making. Your oven better be on 450, guys, because once this pops, it's gonna pop, 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 and it won't stop. We're getting ready to make some pretzels, guys, here on Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Our baking soda bath is boiling. We're ready. You want to take your pretzel, stick it in there for 30 seconds. Okay, Google, set timer for 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Starting now.
You gotta love modern technology, guys. Make sure you have yourself some kind of wire rack. You can put the pretzel on once you take it off, or if not, you just put it on a sheet pan or whatever, you know. This is what I do. Alright, 30 seconds are up. Okay, Google, thank you. Take your pretzel out.
Pleasure.
Take pretzel out, very nice. You're going to let that cool off, and then you'll get your hot sausage. Let's get hot sausage. Stir that in there. 30 seconds are up. We're going to take our hot sausage out very carefully. Be careful, guys. Just put it on your wire rack. Let that cool off. Okay, Google, thank you. Very nice. We're going to let that cool off. Well, that's cooling off. We're going to grab some of our nuggets. Okay? Again, we're going to do another everything pretzel. You're going to grab your everything. You can get this in your supermarket, the spice aisle. Very nice. Look at that. Very nice. I'm telling you, if you never had an everything pretzel, it's just like the everything bagel. You're going to love it. Okay, Google, thank you. We're going to take our nuggets out, put them to the side. We're going to let them cool off. Then we're going to salt them. And then we'll bake. Alright guys, we got our everything pretzels. We got our regular salt pretzels. We got our pretzel nuggets. And we got our hot sausage pretzel. I'm going to go put this in the oven at 450. Yeah, about 10 to 15 minutes. But keep your eye on it, huh? See you back. Oh, and get yourself a cooling rack. So when you take the pretzels out, we're going to pop them right on the cooling rack. Let's go cook. You got your hot sausage pretzel. You got your regular salted. You got your pretzel nuggets. You got your everything pretzels. Huh? Now this is a snack you can make May 9th when you're watching Joseph Donofrio's comedy show. I'm telling you, make yourself a pizza. Make yourself some pretzels. I'm telling you guys, like and follow us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram, guys. Take a look at this again. I'm telling you guys, you got your hot sausage right here. You got your regular pretzels, your pretzel nuggets, and your everything pretzels, guys. Now, could we tell these guys what to do, Vincenzo?
You should like and subscribe. Make sure to turn on that notification bell so you get notified when a new video comes out.
That's right, guys. If you like what you saw, then like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what you want. And for next week, we're going to do something out of the box. We are going to do a very special request from Russia. Here, some cooking Frankie Meatball.